mighty US dollar has been falling. On Tuesday, it fell to 4-year low against the euro. Ahead of the US Fed Reserve meeting, there has been an up movement from this low, but it is marginal. The dollar index, which tracks the dollar against 6 major peers, rose 0.2% to 96.84 after touching 96.554 on Tuesday. This is a marginal uptick. And despite this uptick, the total fall in the index has been of nearly 11% this year alone. As per experts, given the global geopolitical situations and several other economic factors, further decline is expected in weeks and months to come, notwithstanding the recent pause in fall. On the contrary, the euro rose 0.5% to reach $1.827 on Tuesday, marking its strongest level since September 2021 against the greenback. The Indian rupee began Wednesday's session on a stronger note at 87.84 against the US dollar and in early trade appreciated further to 87.81, marking a 28 paise rise from its previous close of 88.09. According to Kunal Sodhani, head Treasury Shinhan Bank, the strengthening rupee against the dollar is a result of the drop in the dollar index. 5 key reasons why the US dollar is falling. Weaker economic growth. According to EBC Financial Group, the job creation in the US has slowed considerably, with unemployment rising and job growth falling short of expectations. This has resulted in a wider expectation of Federal Reserve rate cuts, which in turn has reduced the appeal of the dollar. Federal Reserve policy. Investors anticipate rate cuts starting September 2025, which historically leads to dollar depreciation as lower rates make US assets less attractive to global investors. This has weighed on Treasury yields, dragging them lower and reducing dollar demand. Rising fiscal deficits and debt. The US debt to GDP ratio is near historical highs, prompting record Treasury issuance and volatility in bond markets, undermining confidence in the dollar as a safe haven currency. Policy and political uncertainty. Unpredictable government policies, especially regarding tariffs and the independence of the Federal Reserve, have shaken investor confidence in US assets and the dollar's safe haven status. De-dollarization trend. There is a gradual move by some countries and investors away from the US dollar for reserves and international transactions, driven by long-term geopolitical and economic shifts. These 5 factors combined are pulling the dollar down.
In a world where business never stops, Mint keeps you ahead, any screen, anytime, from studios to the ground.
Mint is doing brilliantly well. It's a well-read page, I would think.
Mint breaks down business, leadership, and lifestyle, boldly, visually, and smartly. From boardrooms to markets, from personal wealth to industry trends, we bring you the insights that matter. What fuels India's biggest CEOs? Ride along and find out. Want to invest like the pros? Learn from India's top market experts. Your money, your future. We make finance simple. Step inside breathtaking homes and the creative minds behind them. India's real estate scene decoded. No jargon, no fluff. Some chase success, others create it. Meet the ones who made the impossible possible. We don't just talk business, we show it. And the world's watching.